Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another sunrise. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we're going to see what happened to the market last night for stocks and cryptos. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell, and don't forget the 12 days of Christmas starts tonight. So I'm going to give Christmas presents going into Christmas, 12 days of Christmas. Number one in the description, you need to sign up to Buybit using that link to get those presents. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Tech stock BNB up 3% today. I didn't see any major news. Sui up 3.7%, BNB 3.54%, Meta was up 2.7%, Uni up 2.4%, MCRT 2%, Uniswap 1.4%. This is what I'm holding. This is my portfolio of stocks and cryptos. Bitcoin 41,339. Came close to activating my trade setup from yesterday. You can see here we're in a kind of symmetrical triangle or a bearish pennant could even. What I'm seeing here is just very easy symmetry, like shoulder, head, shoulder, drop, most likely coming down to 38,000. But everyone seems to think we're coming to 38,000. And we had a double bounce at 40. Actually, no, we didn't. Yeah, we had a double bounce. I wouldn't call that a double bottom bounce because it went down to 40,300 and here 40,600. Stochastic has been reset on the 4-hourly, double bottom on the 4-hour, turning up on the hourly. Triple bottom almost, making higher lows now. So this was the first drop, this was the second drop, this was the drop on the Elizabeth Warren announcing the anti-crypto bill in America. It's almost 1, 2, 3, came very close to activating our trade. Our trade setup was set for 40,356. We came down to 40,000. There was a dump last night, 40,700. I would still take this trade setup because I just think there can easily be dumps. This is the trade I'll take on Bitcoin from this symmetrical triangle. Until this breaks, until this double bottom breaks, we assume it's going to hold and continue its movement up, and that this first to second wave correction could be finished. But most likely the first to second wave will come down to that $40,000. This area of support is the highest, 38,000. But everyone seems to think that. So taking a long from here is a good risk to reward. The risk to reward is massive. This trade is 105 risk to reward, risking $188 to make $19,774 with no leverage, risking $188 to make $19,000 with 10x leverage, $190,000, 100x leverage, 1.9 million. The trade opens at 40,423, stop loss 40,234, and take profit is on this second to third wave, which is the biggest impulse wave to 60k. So that's a trade I would take on Bitcoin right now. But if it does break, I have a very tight stop loss in case it breaks this 40,400, because then 40,200 my stop loss will hit. And if it breaks that line, most likely then we come down to this $38,000 major area of support, which would be wave 2. So that's a trade I would take on Bitcoin. 40,423 is the open. The way you learn in the crypto course how to read my trades, the gray line is the open, the red line is the automatic stop loss, the take profit is the green line. Over on Buybit, my Bitcoin trade is currently pulling 46,841. It was 70,000, almost 80,000 2 days ago, so it is quite a bit of a pullback. 56,893, 385% in the profits. 7 Bitcoin trade. It's now it's a $230,000 or $280,000 Bitcoin trade. In this account, I have 470,000. It was 505,000 2 days ago, but it pulled back on that Bitcoin drop to 460,000, now coming back to 470,000. On that drop, I bought more Uniswap. So I have Bitcoin, 2 Bitcoin, I have 61,000 USDT, 54,000 of Uniswap, 53,000 of Doge, which pulled back, FXS 48,000. Sorry, I bought $10,000 more of FXS. MCRT is up 2.6%, one of the only ones that's up. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. This isn't financial advice. And make sure you sign up to Buybit using the link down below, because the Christmas present giveaway, 12 days of Christmas, starts tonight. So under the video, go down below, sign up to Buybit using this link. You get a $30,000 bonus. And if you use this link, you can see here over on Buybit, I'm going to give the giveaways from here. You see, I already gave away $2,000 this month. I will give 12 days of Christmas starting tonight. So make sure you've signed up to Buybit using this link so you can claim your prizes under the video. 2, take the crypto masterclass to learn how to trade, learn what I'm doing, etc. And 3, join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you trading together. So that's Bitcoin trade. Let's check out Ethereum. Tesla was down 1%, Ethereum 2196. Double bottom on Ethereum on the trend line. Interesting. Came back into the trend line. Hit that stop loss of this trade. It's back inside this. That's not good. It's back inside this rising wedge. So that 5th wave target was close. I had that 5th wave target here, but it actually pumped out a little bit more on Ethereum on the 5th wave target. So now we're most likely going to have this ABC correction now. My 5th wave target was originally, I had it set to that resistance line, which when you zoom out, you can see this bigger rising wedge. This is the bigger rising wedge, which is usually a bearish pattern actually. And we broke out, and I thought we broke out early in that. That's a strong move, but then it dumped back in. So it went to 2,400 and come back down to 2,100 and then bounced. But we are back. So this is the ABC correction wave now. That 5th wave is now finished. That Elliott wave now on Ethereum is now finished. Now we start the ABC correction. And based off this, where would I put ABC correction on Ethereum? So beta major support here. Could do something like this. But it looks like that A wave already could be considered as that first wave correction. It's very quick, but it could have already been, and then we're getting the bounce already. So this could be the full correction on Ethereum, just because there's too much support here. So I do think Ethereum, so this is the next, this is the Elliott wave corrective wave count, ABC correction, which is in play right now. So I think Ethereum can pull back to not even below 2,000. So where I would go long on Ethereum is this major area of support on this ABC correction. This is the longest setup trade. And then taking it out for a long-term trade. This pullback could be a good entry. That's a trade I would take on Ethereum from $2,000, risk reward 48 times, opening trade $2,000, stop loss 1973, and take profit 3,400. That's my trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And again, don't forget, go down below, sign up to Buybit using this link so you can get ready for the Christmas bonuses that I give, the Christmas presents that I give tonight. 1 is the exchanges, 2 is the masterclass, 3 is the Telegram. I'm up 122,000 on my investments, almost double my money. Thank you for all the info. I went from minus 47,000 because of investment advice a while ago with Bitcoin PayPal match. I'm up more than 10,000 today. Beautiful. I made 35,000 from his session. James, you're the best, probably only one YouTuber who well-balanced, high-growth and non-speculative approach to investing. The $200 I invested in your course is quite simply the best $200 I ever spent. You're an awesome long-term investor with awesome fundamentals. Thank you, everyone. All the links to the courses and everything is down below. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. And again, the 12 days of Christmas presents starts tonight. So make sure you sign up, number 1 in the description to Buybit to be ready to claim those prizes. That's my updates on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't think we're going to have much of a pullback. I think this pullback, worst case scenario, 38K. Ethereum worst case scenario, 2,000. Let's see how it plays back. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.